NENOMATICA, where mathematics meets YouTube excellence. Special results on the coefficients of quadratic equations. We will prove a beautiful theorem. When a plus b plus c equals 0, the quadratic ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 has two very convenient roots. Then, we will show the proof step by step, exactly following the standard factor by grouping argument. Theorem: if a plus b plus c equals 0 and ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, then the two roots are x sub 1 equals 1 and x sub 2 equals c over a. Now for the proof. We will transform the quadratic using the condition a plus b plus c equals 0 and factor by grouping. Step 1. From a plus b plus c equals 0, we isolate b. So b equals negative a minus c. Step 2. Start with the quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Step 3. Substitute b equals negative a minus c into the quadratic. Step 4. Distribute and write the middle term as two pieces. Step 5. Group the first two and the last two terms. Step 6. Factor each group. Each contains the binomial x minus 1. Step 7. Factor the common binomial x minus 1. Step 8. By the zero product property, either x minus 1 equals 0, which gives x equals 1, or ax minus c equals 0, which gives x equals c over a. In this example, we will solve a quadratic equation using a special coefficient sum trick. Here is the problem. First, identify the coefficients. We have it equals 1, b equals negative 3, and c equals 2. Now, check the special condition. If a plus b plus c equals 0, then there is a quick way to get the roots. Compute 1 plus negative 3 plus 2. That equals 0. So the condition holds. Apply the rule. The first root is x equals 1. The second root is c over a, which is 2 over 1, so x equals 2. Let's verify by factoring. The polynomial factors as left parenthesis x minus 1 right parenthesis times left parenthesis x minus 2 right parenthesis. Setting each factor to 0 gives x equals 1 or x equals 2, matching our results. Final answer. The solutions are x equals 1 and x equals 2. In this lesson, we will solve a quadratic in a fast way using a special shortcut. Our problem is 4x squared minus 9x plus 5 equals 0. We'll check if the shortcut applies, find the roots, verify them, and visualize everything on a graph. Step 1. Identify the coefficients a, b, and c from ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. For our equation, a equals 4, b equals negative 9, and c equals 5. Step 2. Check the sum of plus b plus c. 4 plus negative 9 plus 5 equals 0. Great. When a plus b plus c equals 0, the roots are immediately x1 equals 1 and x2 equals c over a. Step 3. Apply the shortcut. x1 equals 1. x2 equals c over a, which is 5 over 4 equals 1.25. Step 4. Verify each root by direct substitution. 4x equals 1. 4 times 1 squared minus 9 times 1 plus 5 equals 0. 4x equals 5 over 4. 4 times 25 over 16 minus 9 times 5 over 4 plus 5 equals 0. Step 5. See the factorization that matches our roots. The polynomial equals 4x squared minus 9x plus 5, which factors to left bracket x minus 1, right bracket times left bracket 4x minus 5, right bracket equals 0. Step 6. Let's visualize the quadratic and its intercepts on the x-axis. We draw the axes and the curve for y equals 4x squared minus 9x plus 5. Then we mark the intercepts at x equals 1 and x equals 1.25. Summary. Because a plus b plus c equals 0, the roots are 1 and c over a. In this example, we will solve a quadratic using a special shortcut rule. Example. Solve the quadratic 19x squared minus 20x plus 1 equals 0, and follow the exact step order shown on the sheet. Step 1. Identify the coefficients a, b, and c, and check the sum condition. Here a equals 19, b equals negative 20, and c equals 1. Now add them. 19 plus negative 20 plus 1 equals 0. Because the sum is 0, the special rule applies. This is the rule we will use. If ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, and a plus b plus c equals 0, then the roots are x1 equals 1 and x2 equals c over a. Applying the rule directly gives us the structure of the solutions. x1 equals 1 and x2 equals c over a. Now substitute c equals 1 and a equals 19. So x2 equals 1 over 19. Therefore, the solutions, following the exact algorithm, are x1 equals 1 and x2 equals 1 over 19. First, display the example. This is the problem. Open parenthesis m minus 1 close parenthesis x squared minus 2mx plus m plus 1 equals 0. Step 1. Identify the coefficients and check the special condition a plus b plus c equals 0. We'll show the rule we plan to use. For this quadratic, a equals m minus 1, b equals negative 2m, and c equals m plus 1. Now compute a plus b plus c. It simplifies to 0, so the condition holds. Step 2. Apply the rule. Because a plus b plus c equals 0, one root is exactly 1, and the other root equals c over, which is m plus 1 over m minus 1. Finally, state the answer clearly. The solutions are x sub 1 equals 1, and x sub 2 equals the fraction m plus 1 over m minus 1. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more math lessons. NENOMATICA, where mathematics meets YouTube excellence.